For me, flying with carry-on luggage is ideal because you can easily check into your flights and then easily get out of the airport after you get off of the plane. That's why I got this kit right here from US Traveler. Let's get it open and check it out. Pretty nice looking bag with a cloth exterior. Got decent zippers here, nothing special really. But these ones come with their own little lock and keys right here, so that's kind of a nice little feature. Not sure that's TSA approved though, so I'm not sure if I'm going to be using that personally. We've got a nice little carrying handle right here, reinforced with looks like a leather strap. Another carrying handle on this side as well. An exterior pouch up top here. An exterior pouch down low right here as well. And we got pretty strong looking wheels here. The bearings are a little difficult to move. It's not skateboardish at all. And a support structure right here for when you set the bag down on its wheels. So I think what you're really looking for in carry-on luggage is the largest interior dimensions that you can get for the smallest exterior dimensions, because every airline has different regulations on how big your bag can be. So really the smaller the carry-on bag, the better, but you still want to be able to fit a lot of stuff into it. In this direction, it's no more than 13.5 inches. It really shines here at no more than 8 inches. And standing upright, it's no more than 22 inches. So it also comes with this matching carry-on handbag right here. This would be great for like throwing in toiletries, extra pair of clothes, maybe some shoes if you need some. It has an exterior pouch right here that zips up pretty easily. It has the handles that you can hold it like this, and it also has a shoulder strap as well with a shoulder pad right here. And on the inside of the bag, there's a fair bit amount of room in here. You can see it kind of fits my 14-inch laptop here just perfectly and goes over top of it and then leaves some room off to the side of it for other things as well. Let's see what we can actually fit inside of it though. So when it's opened up, it's one deep side like this. It's got a couple rails that we're gonna have to deal with, no problem. And it's got the mesh pouch over on the other side with the zip down that you could put other things in here. Let's see what we can actually fit inside it and get it closed and see what it looks like. Now, since it's got these little rails down in here, what I'm gonna do is put in some softer stuff to kind of even that out right there and make a flat surface. Undergarments tend to work well for stuff like that. So do scarves and athletic shirts, the swim trunks, athletic shorts, and you can start adding in other stuff like the pants, the jeans, the jean jacket, the shoes, the books, and e-reader, and lastly, the towel. And that zips up really easily in there. So there's two ways to pick up this bag here. There is that handle right here. You can pick it up like that. There's this handle here. You can pick it up like that as well. But of course, most of the time we're going to be using the extending arm here. It can stop in one position right there. Now I'm 6'1", and this is coming up to just about my waist right here. That's a perfect height. You could probably be, 6'6", 6'7", and still be able to grab onto that comfortably. It also has another locking point at this height right here, and another at that height right there. And after that, it locks and just kind of drops down after that. So it's easy enough to maneuver. As you can see, it rolls easily enough across this flat surface, and I can set it up like that, and it will stand upright.